Hi guys, welcome to my channel How to MuleSoft. My name is Nikhil Manchanda and I'm a senior integration architect. In today's discussion, we are going to talk about Smart Slack bot for MuleSoft. And before jumping into the live demonstration, let us try to answer some of the questions like what bots are doing in today's world, what problems they are solving, and how they can fit into the IT ecosystem. So let's start. If you have observed, bots are already present in some of the key business processes like customer support process, and they are already present in the various sectors like insurance and banking. So let us try to understand with the help of an example. So in the banking sector, you see there is a WhatsApp bot already present, and with the help of WhatsApp bot, you can fetch account related information like your account balance, your account statement, and you can also apply for a credit card with your registered mobile number. And you don't need a mobile application or browser to do all this. You can just do it on your WhatsApp. So that's the power of bots, and in this demonstration we'll see how they can fit into IT ecosystem and what problems or areas they can cover. So now let's talk about the concept that I have created. This concept is integration of three things: Slack, MuleSoft, and NLP. NLP is natural language processing, and the idea of adding NLP here is to provide natural language understanding capabilities to the bot. Now the bot will understand what you are trying to say. It will ask you relevant questions to perform the required task. This simplifies the user experience. Now the users don't need to memorize any commands. They can interact with the bot naturally and intuitively, and the bot will understand what the users are saying. With that said, let's see some of the benefits that this concept provides. So basically it provides greater flexibility and it improves productivity of the development teams. Now the development teams can collaborate and manage MuleSoft applications network from Slack platform. They don't need to go to their Anypoint platform to manage the applications. They can do the same from the Slack platform itself. They can do the starting of the application, stopping, restarting, build and deploy any activity that they can perform on runtime plane. They can manage it from Slack platform now. In fact, the business users with some knowledge of the application network can also manage the application networks using this concept. As you know that Slack is also available as a mobile application for Android and iOS. So now you can control the application network from mobile devices as well. With that said, let's see the live demonstration of the concept. Now I'll switch to my Anypoint platform, and there I'll show you my MuleSoft applications network. From there we'll jump to Slack and I will show you the SmartBot concept in action. So guys, this is my Anypoint platform. Let me jump to the runtime manager and show you the applications network. So guys, as you can see, I have two environments here. One is Sandbox and the another one is UAT. In Sandbox, I have 4 applications deployed in Cloud Hub. 3 are in start status and 1 is stopped or undeployed, you can say. And let me show you the UAT environment as well. So in UAT, you will see I have 1 application deployed in Cloud Hub and the status is started. Now let me jump to the Slack. So guys, this is my Slack application and you will see various channels here. In MuleSoft bot demo channel, I have added the smart bot capability and I will be interacting with the bot in this channel. Now I will interact with the bot in 2 ways. One as a first time user and second as a regular user. So the first time user doesn't know much about the bot and it will look for the bot guidance to perform a specific action, and the bot will ask the relevant questions to perform a specific task. So let's see that in action. I'll send a greeting to bot. Let's see how the bot responds. So the bot has responded and it has responded with the following message: hello, I am MuleSoft bot, and I can select from the below options. It has presented me 2 options. One is to get Cloud Hub application status and second is change Cloud Hub application state. So let me go with the option number 1. So now, as you can see, to see the application state, I need to provide the environment name from which I need to see the application state. So it is asking me the same. Let me provide it the environment name. So as you see, I just provided the environment name as sandbox, and whatever Cloud Hub applications are deployed in the sandbox environment, it has responded me back with the details. So I see 4 applications there, and out of 4, 3 are in started state and 1 is undeployed. Okay guys, let's try option number 2 as well. Option number 2 is change Cloud Hub application state. So we are assuming the same, that I'm a first time user and I don't know much about bots, and the bot has to guide me that what all it needs to perform the operation. So let's start with greeting the bot again. So bot has presented me with 2 options again. I will choose the option number 2 this time, which is to change the Cloud Hub application state. So to change the application state, what all we need? We need 3 things. One is the environment in which I want to perform that operation. Second is the application name or the application number on which I need to perform this operation. And third is the action, whether I want to start, stop, or restart the application. So the bot will ask me the same questions. As I'm the first time user, I have to share all this information with the bot. So it's asking me for the environment name. Let's type with sandbox. Now it's asking me the action that I need to perform. Let's say I want to start the app, because the application number 2, which is employ SAP V1, it's in undeployed state. I'll try to start this application. So let's choose the start action. Now it will ask me for the application number, which is 2. The bot has collected all the information. It will try to perform that operation and give me the success response. Now we have received the response from the bot, and it has successfully started the employ SAP V1 application. Now let us look into the runtime manager as well, and if you see, the application is in deploying state. Okay, so the bot has successfully performed this operation as well. So these all operations are performed as first time user, where the user doesn't know much about the bot and the bot is guiding the user. Now I will perform operations as a regular user. The regular user is the one who doesn't need much bot guidance, and it can provide all the required things in a single statement. So let's see the same in action. This is my Slack application. Okay, so let me greet the bot again. And this time I'm not going to choose option 1 or 2. This time I am going to write all the required things in a single statement. For example, let's try to see all the applications in the sandbox environment. So I will write something like this: show me sandbox apps. So you see, when I provided all the required things in a single statement, bot understood it and it provided me the required response. So you can see in the sandbox environment I have 4 applications, all are in started state. Let me show you that as well. So you can see this is my sandbox environment, and I have 4 applications deployed in Cloud Hub, and all of them are in started state. Now let us do the second operation as well. So in the second operation I need to change the Cloud Hub application state. So what I'll do, I'll try to stop employ SAP V1 application in sandbox. So I will write something like stop app to in sandbox. Okay, so let's see how it behaves. So if you see now, it understood what I really wanted to do and it performed that operation. It did that operation successfully. So now let's see that in the runtime manager as well. So in the runtime manager, you can see it has successfully stopped employee SAP v1. Now let's try to start this application. So I'll write something like start app to in sandbox. Okay, I wrote it incorrectly. So let me provide the environment again. So you see it has successfully performed this operation, and you see that now the application is deploying here. So that's really, so if you see here what happened, it understood what I really want to do. It understood, one second. So it has successfully understood that I want to start application and the application number is 2, but it did not understand the environment. So that's why it asked me for the environment name, and when I provide the correct environment, it performed that operation successfully. So it understands that what you really want to do, and if some information is missing, the bot will ask you that information. If you have observed, then the MuleSoft bot response is in JSON string format. It is not very nicely formatted, but these responses are customizable. You can customize it the way you want. So that's it for this video, guys, and this concept is one of the many use cases that MuleSoft and Slack integration can do. This concept has the potential to transform the applications management experience and take it to the next level. So guys, that's it for today's video, and if you really like the video, then subscribe to my channel, press the like button and share with your friends. Thank you.